Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Gold Coast the Beauty. I have not made a video since I left, and hey and it's because I'm in Ghana, you guys. Today is the 6th of March, Ghana Independence Day, and I'm here at Movenpick Hotel with, say your names,
Natural Ghana girl. Terracles.
Yes, we came to this hair event, which is at the National Theatre, but the hype was too much. It's not as good as I thought it was gonna be, so we decided to cross the road and come to Movenpick Hotel, which is like, I don't know how this place is opposite. It's just it's just beautiful. Look at the flowers.
Beautiful.
Look at the flowers. It's just nice. So
I'm coming back here, but not to swim, just to sit by the pool and take selfies.
it's 60 cedis for
that
adults.
I hope not.
No, it's not.
It's not shallow.
It's
But during the
60
week
cedis.
it's cheaper, so you can come to during the week. You can come back during the week.
It's a good day. It's hot. Happy Independence Day to all my Ghanaians and anyone else who wants to identify as Ghanaian. I don't blame you. Anyway guys, so I'll see you guys on my next video, and when I come back I'll definitely upload more. Okie dokie, and thanks to this lady for letting me use her camera.
Yeah.
So yeah,
I hope
bye.
she get her video though.
Yes. I better.
Upload it to your channel.
I better get my video. Alright guys, see you later.
Put it on your channel.